So it's time to build a website. Coming up, I'll walk you through 10 reasons why it should be done using Squarespace. What's up everyone? I'm Jeff, co-founder of TheFigCo. We're here to help you grow your business online. If you want to see more videos like this one, I'd encourage you to subscribe to our channel. So we manage a handful of our own websites and have built a bunch for our clients. We've taken a look at Wix, Weebly, WordPress, and Shopify, and in most situations have decided that Squarespace was the best option. Today I want to walk you through the 10 reasons why you should build your web page in Squarespace. Point number one, it's free to try. So you can sign up, you don't even need a credit card, and use it for 2 weeks. Also, I'm going to leave a link down below and a discount code so you can get 10% off your first purchase. Point number two is that you can create a cover page and have something live on your website in just a couple minutes. So this is something where you have an image that says, hello world, I'm here, maybe sign up for my email list, and have that until you have your full web page up and running, and then you can make the switch. Also, you can use these cover pages as landing pages. If you don't know what a landing page is, I'll link to that up above. But they're basically one-page websites to collect email addresses. And if you use the cover pages from Squarespace, you don't have to pay for landing page software. Point number three, Squarespace provides the most beautifully designed template options available of any website builder. And so I imagine if you're watching this video right now, your full-time job is in web design. And so what you'll want to do is find a template that you like, make edits to it, add your content, and be done. Have your website up, ready to go. And so I can guarantee if you go through the options of templates that Squarespace has, you'll find something that works for your business. And to help you get your website up and running, we actually created a free Squarespace course. I'll link to it up above here, as well as in the description. Feel free to sign up, take the course. It'll walk you through step-by-step on how to build your web page in Squarespace. That way you can get back to business. Point number four, all of Squarespace's templates are mobile friendly. This is really important because over half of traffic to Google search results, time on social media, YouTube views are all done on mobile phones. And so you want to make sure no matter what device someone is using, is that your website is being displayed well. Also, Google will penalize you if your site isn't mobile friendly. So if you want to show up in search results, it's also important to have a mobile friendly website. Point number five is the ability to optimize your website for SEO. So SEO stands for search engine optimization, basically showing up in search results. And so I'm going to put a link down below to a checklist for SEO that Squarespace put together. But basically with Squarespace, you have the tools available to you to be able to optimize your website to show up in search results. Point number six is security. So you can sleep well at night knowing that Squarespace has your site backed up, it's going to be up and running, it's not going to get hacked, you're not going to lose the information that's there. Point number seven is there's countless integration options with Squarespace. And so that could be your email marketing software. We actually did a series of videos around email marketing. I'm going to link to the playlist up above here. Also, all of your social media accounts you can link to with Squarespace so people can share it easily on social media. You can display your social media as well. So if you want to show your Instagram images, you can display those on your Squarespace page. If you run a restaurant and you want to show your Yelp reviews, or you want to have an integration with OpenTable so someone can make a reservation, you can integrate all of those with Squarespace. Point number eight is easy to use e-commerce. And so all you need to do with your Squarespace page is connect a payment method, which could either be PayPal or Stripe, and you can start selling products in Squarespace. Point number nine, Squarespace is a closed environment. So comparing that to say WordPress, which is open source, basically anyone on WordPress can create a plugin. You can find plugins for whatever you might want to do on your web page. But the issue is sometimes they don't work well, sometimes they don't get updated, some of them have bugs. So anything you can use on Squarespace was created by Squarespace, and so you know that it's going to work well if it's there. So that brings me to my last point. Point number 10 is Squarespace has great customer service. So they put out a bunch of content on their support page. They have video tutorials. There's a forum where other people could answer your questions, or you can contact their support directly over live chat or over email. All right, so hopefully those 10 points of why we use Squarespace for our web pages convince you to try it as well. But as always, if you have any questions, comments, concerns, or if there's other content you want to see from our channel, you can leave that down below in the comment section. Also, if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. It helps our channel grow. And if you haven't done so yet, you can subscribe to our channel up above here. If you want to watch our tutorial video on Squarespace, I'll link that up above here. If you want to sign up for our free Squarespace course, that'll be down in the corner here. Until next time, bye-bye.